Open your mouth a little bit. That's a big mouth. Don't get too close.
I see a light blinking, Grandma.
Yeah.
It's over.
Okay. What day is today? Is this Steve's birthday? You don't have to open your mouth. 14th, 1989. Chris lost her second top tooth yesterday. And today is Steve's birthday, isn't it? What are we going to do today?
Buy him a present.
What else? Where are we going to buy that?
Grocery store. I'm going to buy him a toy.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
With your tooth fairy money?
Maybe.
How come you didn't go to Bible school today?
Because I didn't feel well.
Feel better now?
No, I just had a stomach ache now.
Do you?
Well.
Are we ready to go?
Hi, April. How are you doing? Don't...
Oh.
All right, that's good. That's good.
I'm right behind you.
Turn around, check on me.
I got tired that time. Are you? No, you're not.
Jump, John.
Do it, John, jump. Come on, Nolan's out there. You got a life jacket on. Jump, Nolan will catch you. He will.
Jump, John.
April jumped off.
Jump. Stick your nose and then shut your mouth and you won't get none up in your face.
Just do this.
Stick your legs in. John, where'd you go?
He's right
I
there.
am now.
She looks like she's drowning.
Grandma, watch me.
John, get in one more time, then we're going.
Come on.
Very good, Carissa.
Who jumped in?
Got it. Let's see how over my head it is.
Careful, Stinky.
That's what I got.
Honey.
You're warm.
Turn her face around.
Nolan, shook her on her face.
No,
Keep her face toward the camera, Nolan.
Daddy.
Miranda, what's the matter? Oh, is it cold? Ooh! Ooh! So, Daddy, ooh!
Hey, I want to do something all by myself. Move, April, because I'm going.
On.
That's good. I want to say something else. I was, look at me, John. I swim over the
Yay!
Big girl.
I can jump in there from there. I'll let myself go under. I'm going down to the I don't know how I do it.
John, let me see you go under.
Oh, me?
Yeah, so I can get it on TV. Wow. God. Okay, what you go under? Oh boy. That's good, April. Dawn, you're swimming.
It's another life jacket. Yeah. Pick you up. Look at me, I'm just... I can't put the whole head on it. I'm paddling. I'm scared.
No, I'm good.
Not of you falling in the pool.
See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator.
That's a big girl. You're a big girl.
Daddy, I want to jump by myself with this life jacket on. But
Put this on so you won't be so wet on
I want to go.
Because you're going with me, John. Now just shut up. I don't want to hear any more about it. Come on, Aaron.
Yeah, look at that crowd. Elbows up.
Yeah, she's making a pillow for him. She's resting. Right? 1989. Gotta put the date on here.
All right, let's say a cannonball.
That's good.
All right.
Bye, Donna. Bye, Donna.
Bye-bye.
I have to do all this work. I'm gonna do the cannonball.
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna do a
Come on.
cannonball.
Let's go in. Let's go swimming.
That's a doubtful look if I ever saw one. Go swimming.
Off with me several times.
Did she?
Yes.
Okay,
Count to three.
One, two,
Three.
cannonball.
Oh. Oh. I have to do all that work again. Ellie.
That's a good one.
What's this?
Horse. Horse.
Abby.
Oh. Get in. Get in.
Is there a horsefly on me?
No.
Yeah, well.
Carissa, do this. There, you got it.
Yeah, I get it. I'm going to do a cannonball.
Yeah, Duncan.
Did Lorenzo go under?
No, she's right here.
Who's done Tim?
Who you suppose?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Where's
he at?
Daddy?
No!
I tell you.
Did you see Daddy? Yeah.
I'm going to try to beat you off the daddy board. Go!
Oh.
Jake. Come on. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, come on. Off the camera. On the camera. On the camera. You ready? Look at Chris down there. Are you ready?
Yay!
I'll be to the other end.
That's
I'll
me.
be to
The other
the
end.
other end.
Come on, swim, hurry! Hurry! April's gonna beat to the ladder. Hurry, April, go! Here comes Daddy! Go, 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 go! Hurry, go! Yay!
We done it.
Kick your feet. And now what are you gonna do?
Daddy, watch me go under.
Just a minute, sugar.
Grandma, let's see a
Just a minute.
race.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Watch me, Daddy.
Okay, April, where are you? Okay, go under.
Hey,
Go under.
come on. Come on.
Wow.
Hey,
We get that on TV.
Hey, let's see a race, Grandma.
Huh?
Grandma, let's see a race.
Who's gonna race?
Pull your
Daddy, up to the
Carissa.
diving board.
Carissa, put your swimming suit down. There you
Hey,
go.
we're going to race
All right,
to the
come on.
diving board, Daddy.
Come on.
Daddy! Take this off. We'll race to the diving board for a minute. Can you take this off for a minute? I almost had it.
You almost swam all by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
Was you swimming?
I'll pick you off.
Okay, I'm taking pictures of you. I don't want the back of your head.
April, turn around and do something. Go underwater.
No. Gotta get over here to go underwater.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Right.
Are you going under? Wow.
That's good, baby.
Boy.
That's once. You gonna do it 2 times?
Yes.
Okay, do it again.
Guess what? More.
One more.
Daddy!
Wow!
Her ladder.